Hello and welcome to EveryDadDIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be making a key holder in the shape of a key. It's going to be made from a piece of oak, so stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so this is the piece of timber we're going to be using. As I said, it's a piece of oak. It's about 27 millimeters thick, which is a little bit thicker than my scroll saw should really cut, but I did a little test cut as you see there and it seemed to cut okay as long as I took it slow. So that's what I'm going to do. First things first, I'm going to get the belt sander on it just to flatten it out completely. Then we'll draw the key design onto it and we'll get scroll sawn. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the video. As you can see, it's all finished up there now. I think it's looking really good. My only concern was adding these, they're basically bolts, kind of a brassy coloured bolt. I wasn't sure whether it was going to look right. I thought it was going to look good, but I was also going to put a piece of dowel in there. So I'm kind of glad I went with the brassy coloured stuff now because of the colour of the oak when it's all lacquered up. I think it looks really well. You can let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.